So I was actually cleaning my room early in January because I didn't have time over the Christmas season.
Okay.
Yeah. Feeling a little judgment there, Mickey.
No judgment here, no judgment.
But I was cleaning and I say, Lord, I need a song for 2020. Tell me what you want me to do.
Did you finish cleaning your room?
I did not. To be honest, I did not.
Oh!
I'm hardly home.
All right.
As a matter of fact, last week going here, I realized that there were 2 birds building a nest in my bedroom. I am trying to figure out how
that happened.
Yes.
You know what? That's a good thing. I'm sure you looked at cartoons like Sleeping Beauty, and she used to run through the forest with the birds whistling and everything. You're waking up to the tweets of birds in your bedroom.
No.
Once it's just tweets alone.
Nest is mess.
Well, true.
You know?